Welcome to our exploration of renewable energy. Today we'll dive into the world of solar and wind power, two of the most important sources of clean energy. Renewable energy comes from natural sources that are constantly replenished, unlike fossil fuels which can run out and pollute our environment. As we move towards a greener future, understanding these energy sources is crucial. Let's start by defining what renewable energy is and why it matters for our planet and our daily lives. This journey will help us see how solar and wind power are changing the way we use energy. Renewable energy is energy that comes from sources like the sun, wind, and water. These sources are naturally replenished, meaning they won't run out over time. Unlike coal or oil, renewable energy is much cleaner and safer for the environment. By using renewable energy, we can reduce pollution and help protect our planet. It's important to understand how these sources work and why they are becoming more popular. As we continue, we'll focus on solar and wind energy, two of the most widely used renewable sources. Fossil fuels like coal and oil have powered our world for centuries, but they are limited and cause pollution. Renewable energy sources, on the other hand, are sustainable and much cleaner. By switching to renewables, we can reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and help fight climate change. This shift is happening all over the world as people realize the benefits of clean energy. Let's look at how solar and wind energy compare to traditional sources and why they are so important for our future. Solar energy comes directly from the sun. Every day, the sun releases an enormous amount of energy in the form of sunlight. This energy can be captured and converted into electricity using solar panels. Solar panels are made with special materials that absorb sunlight and turn it into usable power. The process is clean, efficient, and available almost everywhere. As we continue, we'll see how solar panels work and why solar energy is becoming a popular choice for homes and businesses. Solar panels use a process called the photovoltaic effect to turn sunlight into electricity. When sunlight hits the panel, it excites electrons in the material, causing them to move and create an electric current. This current can be used to power homes, schools, and even entire cities. The technology is simple but powerful, making solar energy one of the most accessible forms of renewable energy. Let's explore the science behind solar panels and how they help us harness the sun's power. Photovoltaic effect is the key process that allows solar panels to generate electricity. When sunlight strikes the panel, it energizes electrons in the material, causing them to move and create an electric current. This current is then collected and used to power electrical devices. The photovoltaic effect is efficient and reliable, making solar panels a great choice for clean energy. Understanding the process helps us appreciate how solar energy works and why it's so important. Solar energy is used in many ways. It can power homes, schools, businesses, and even entire cities. Solar panels are installed on rooftops in large solar farms and in remote areas where electricity is needed. The versatility of solar energy makes it a popular choice for many people. As technology improves, solar panels are becoming more efficient and affordable, making it easier for everyone to use clean energy. Solar energy offers many benefits. It is clean, abundant, and available in most parts of the world. By using solar power, we can reduce pollution, lower energy costs, and help fight climate change. Solar energy is also reliable and can be used in remote areas where traditional power sources are not available. These advantages make solar energy a key part of our transition to a greener future. While solar energy is powerful, it does have some challenges. Solar panels depend on sunlight, so they are less effective at night or on cloudy days. This means that energy production can vary depending on the weather and time of day. Scientists are working on solutions such as better energy storage systems to help overcome these challenges. Understanding these limitations helps us appreciate the ongoing efforts to improve solar technology. Wind energy is another important renewable source. It is generated from the movement of air, which is caused by the sun heating the earth unevenly. As air moves from high pressure to low pressure areas, wind is created. This moving air can be harnessed using wind turbines to generate electricity. Wind energy is clean, sustainable, and widely used around the world. Wind turbines are devices that capture the energy of moving air. They have large blades that spin when the wind blows. As the blades rotate, they turn a generator inside the turbine, producing electricity. Wind turbines are often grouped together in wind farms, which can generate large amounts of power for communities. The process is efficient and helps reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Wind farms are collections of wind turbines that work together to generate electricity. These farms are often located in areas with strong and consistent winds. By combining the power of many turbines, wind farms can supply energy to entire communities. The operation of wind farms is managed carefully to maximize efficiency and ensure a steady supply of clean energy. Wind energy has many advantages. It is clean, renewable, and does not produce harmful pollution. Wind turbines can be installed in many locations, from open fields to offshore areas. As technology improves, wind energy is becoming more affordable and efficient. These benefits make wind power an important part of our energy future. Wind energy also faces some challenges. The amount of electricity generated depends on wind speed, which can vary. If the wind is too weak or too strong, turbines may not work efficiently. Scientists are developing new technologies to make wind turbines more reliable and to store excess energy for use when the wind is not blowing. These efforts are helping to make wind energy a more dependable source. Solar and wind energy are both important renewable sources, but they work in different ways. Solar energy relies on sunlight, while wind energy depends on air movement. Both have unique advantages and challenges. By combining these sources, we can create a more stable and reliable energy system. Understanding the differences helps us make better choices for our energy needs. One of the biggest benefits of renewable energy is reducing pollution. Fossil fuels produce harmful emissions that damage the environment and affect our health. Solar and wind energy do not produce pollution, making them much safer for people and nature. By using clean energy, we can help protect the planet for future generations. Renewable energy plays a key role in fighting climate change. By reducing our dependence on fossil fuels and lowering emissions, solar and wind power help slow global warming. This is crucial for protecting ecosystems and ensuring a healthy planet. As more people switch to renewables, we can make a real difference in the fight against climate change. One challenge with renewable energy is storing excess power for later use. Scientists are developing advanced batteries and other storage systems to keep energy available when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. These solutions are making renewable energy more reliable and helping us use clean power whenever we need it. Many homeowners are installing solar panels to generate their own electricity. This helps reduce energy bills and provides a clean, reliable source of power. Solar panels can be placed on rooftops and are easy to maintain. As more people adopt solar energy, communities become greener and more sustainable. Wind turbines are being installed in communities around the world. These turbines provide clean energy and help reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Wind farms can supply power to thousands of homes and businesses, making them a valuable resource for local economies. Community wind projects are helping people embrace renewable energy. Solar farms are large installations of solar panels that generate electricity for entire regions. These farms are often located in sunny areas and can produce massive amounts of clean energy. Solar farms are helping to power cities and reduce the need for fossil fuels. Their growth is a sign of the increasing popularity of solar energy. Offshore wind farms are built in the ocean where winds are strong and consistent. These farms use large turbines to generate electricity for coastal cities and towns. Offshore wind energy is expanding rapidly and offers a powerful solution for clean energy needs. The technology is advancing, making offshore wind farms more efficient and reliable. Schools are adopting solar energy to power classrooms and reduce costs. Solar panels provide a reliable source of electricity and help teach students about sustainability. By using solar energy, schools can save money and set an example for the community. This trend is growing as more educational institutions embrace clean energy. Businesses are investing in wind energy to power their operations and reduce environmental impact. Wind turbines can supply electricity for factories, offices, and stores. By using wind power, companies can lower costs and demonstrate their commitment to sustainability. This shift is helping drive the growth of renewable energy. Solar panels are especially useful in remote areas where traditional power sources are unavailable. They provide electricity for homes, medical clinics, and schools, improving quality of life. Solar energy is helping bring power to communities that need it most, making a positive impact around the world. Wind turbines are often installed in rural areas with plenty of open space and strong winds. These turbines provide clean energy for farms and small towns, supporting local economies. Wind energy is helping rural communities become more sustainable and less dependent on fossil fuels. Solar panel technology is constantly improving. New materials and designs are making panels more efficient and affordable. Innovations like flexible panels and integrated systems are expanding the possibilities for solar energy. As technology advances, solar power will become even more accessible to everyone. Wind turbine technology is also advancing rapidly. Engineers are designing larger, more efficient turbines that can capture more energy from the wind. New materials and smart systems are making turbines more reliable and easier to maintain. These innovations are helping wind energy become a major source of power. Energy storage is a critical part of renewable energy systems. New battery technologies and storage solutions are making it possible to save excess power for later use. These innovations are helping solar and wind energy become more reliable and efficient, ensuring that clean power is always available. The cost of renewable energy is decreasing as technology improves. Solar panels and wind turbines are becoming more affordable, making it easier for people and businesses to switch to clean power. Lower costs are helping drive the adoption of renewables and making them accessible to more communities. Governments around the world are supporting renewable energy through policies and incentives. These efforts are helping accelerate the transition to clean power and encouraging innovation. By providing funding and resources, governments are making it easier for people to adopt solar and wind energy. Communities are taking action to promote renewable energy. Local projects such as solar installations and wind farms are helping people embrace clean power. These initiatives are making a difference by reducing pollution and supporting sustainable development. Renewable energy is having a global impact. Countries around the world are investing in solar and wind power to reduce emissions and fight climate change. The shift to clean energy is creating jobs, improving health, and protecting the environment for future generations. The renewable energy industry is creating new jobs in manufacturing, installation, and maintenance. Solar and wind projects provide employment opportunities and support local economies. As the industry grows, more people are finding rewarding careers in clean energy. Using renewable energy improves public health by reducing air pollution. Solar and wind power do not produce harmful emissions, making the air cleaner and safer to breathe. This helps prevent respiratory illnesses and supports healthier communities. Renewable energy supports sustainable development by providing reliable power without harming the environment. Solar and wind projects help communities grow while preserving natural resources. This balance is essential for a healthy and prosperous future. The future of renewable energy is bright. As technology advances and costs decrease, solar and wind power will become even more widespread. New innovations are making clean energy more reliable and accessible, helping us build a sustainable world for generations to come. Smart grids are modern energy systems that use advanced technology to manage electricity from renewable sources. They help balance supply and demand, making energy use more efficient. Smart grids are essential for integrating solar and wind power into our daily lives. Microgrids are small, local energy systems that can operate independently or connect to larger grids. They use renewable sources like solar and wind to provide reliable power to communities. Microgrids are helping make energy more resilient and accessible. Hybrid energy systems combine solar, wind, and other renewable sources to create a stable supply of electricity. By using multiple sources, these systems can provide power even when one source is unavailable. Hybrid systems are making renewable energy more dependable and efficient. Energy efficiency is about using less energy to do the same work. By improving efficiency, we can reduce waste and make renewable energy go further. Efficient appliances, smart systems, and better designs are helping us use clean power more effectively. Education is key to promoting renewable energy. Schools, communities, and organizations are teaching people about the benefits of solar and wind power. By raising awareness, we can encourage more people to adopt clean energy and support a sustainable future. Individuals can make a difference by choosing renewable energy, conserving power, and supporting clean energy initiatives. Simple actions like installing solar panels or using energy-efficient appliances help reduce pollution and protect the environment. Innovations are driving the growth of renewable energy. New technologies, materials, and systems are making solar and wind power more efficient and affordable. These breakthroughs are helping us build a cleaner, greener world for everyone. Solar and wind power are transforming the way we use energy. By embracing renewable sources, we can protect the environment, fight climate change, and build a sustainable future. The journey to clean energy is ongoing, and everyone has a role to play. Together, we can make a positive impact and ensure a brighter tomorrow for generations to come.